This morning I was invited to attend a meeting with ICE leadership in the Central Texas area. As an attorney who works with the Mexican consulate on cases, I received this invitation and attended this meeting. And what I want to share with people, I was given permission to share this message, is specifically related to the sensitive locations issue with, churches and hospitals and shelters and schools. And everybody knows that ICE can now, at its own discretion, conduct enforcement actions in these locations. And that has sent a real chilling effect to the immigrant community about accessing health care and sending their kids to schools. And the message that we received at this meeting in Central Texas is that the instances where ICE would go into a sensitive location is to conduct a targeted operation against someone who is an active security risk, an active national security risk, maybe somebody who has violent criminal history, who can only be apprehended in this location. The preference would be to go after someone like this outside of the school, driving, leaving their home, etc., and that they will try to avoid going into sensitive locations. Now, they wouldn't go so far as to say we won't go into those locations. They were very careful to say, we are at the directive of leadership in Washington on this stuff. But I think it was somewhat of a comforting message for me to hear as an advocate in Central Texas that the leadership of ICE is currently at least being thoughtful about using discretion when they go into sensitive locations. So whether or not that brings anybody else comfort, I totally understand. But I wanted to share with you this message that I had received.